So first of all, please clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. अपने आप के लिए ताली, because it is the way right now it is a great achievement because to come out of the class to speak in front of people. There is a one line. You have to repeat with me. Speakers are leaders. Speakers are leaders. Leaders can change the world. Leaders can change society. The world is waiting for you. You will become speaker. You can change the world. So we are going to become public speaker. I would like to invite a person. Who is he? Guys, please clap for Mr. Huzaifa. Please come here. And one more thing. Do not speak only.
Yes.
The information you have,
Yes.
Google has more than information than you have.
Yes.
So Google can speak,
Yes.
but cannot speak your emotion. So speak with emotion. Speak with emotion. If you are sharing any शायरी, तो इतनी अच्छे अंदाज में हो कि सामने वाला उसको महसूस करे, तुम्हारी शायरी को सामने वाला महसूस करे. So until unless you are not feeling yourself, because there is one very beautiful line कि दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है. दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकत परवाज़ मगर रखती है. पर तो नहीं होते लेकिन उड़ने की ताकत रखती है जो दिल से बात निकलती है. If you are speaking only by your tongue, so please welcome Mr. Huzaifa. Please clap for Mr. Huzaifa. Yes.
दुआ करो कि सलामत रहे मेरी हिम्मत. दुआ करो कि सलामत रहे मेरी हिम्मत. एक चिराग कई आंधियों पे भारी है. So first of all, me Muhammad Abu Huzaifa, and today I am standing here. I am deliver a speech on the topic of education, and I would like to say thanks all of you and thanks Qari Muhammad Jishan having me this wonderful opportunity. So what is important in your life? Education is so much important in your life. You have education, so you can do anything, and you can see any people because if you have education, so you can do business and you can make better life because of education. If you are education is powerful for anything, and you have education, you can do anything. You can see any businessman, any old man, because he has so much education, then he is so much powerful person, make successful person. So education is very important in our life. You can see Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, because he is so much educational, and he launched Constitution of India, because Constitution is very powerful, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar so much educational, and he launched this constitution. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he is Dalit, caste of Dalit, and past time you are Dalit. If you are a Dalit, so you cannot sit for me, and you cannot stand for me, and you cannot teach in the school. But after educational, after reading, after studying, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar launched Constitution of India, and make so much respect all of you and all caste. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar all given all of respect, all of person. That is why he is so much educational. And you can see Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is a world man. He is a world man, missile man in the world. He is very big missile man in the world, because he is so much poor, and past time he used to sell newspaper. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam work hard for our country, for our life, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he is a very biggest man. And you can see any people, any. And thank you for listening me Muhammad Abu Huzaifa.
So should I invite you? बुलाएं तुमको? Can you deliver a speech? Any kind of speech?
Yes.
So, let's please, without any delay, without any further information, please put your hands together for Mr. Farhan. Please welcome Mr. Farhan.
कि जब तक सफल ना हो तुम नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, कि जब तक सफल ना हो तुम नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, यूं ही नहीं सब्र का दामन छोड़ के भागो तुम, यूं ही बिना कहे जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. And today I will speak about education. What is education? Who meant no knowledge? Ask him what is knowledge. If you have knowledge, you can do anything. You can do any work. You can do any business. Only you want business. You want knowledge. Like you can watch Japan. He has so much knowledge. That is why he was a technology. Yes. And right now we are using 5G because of internet, because of education. If we don't have education, we can't open 5G. First of all, you need to education. Without education, you can't do anything. In the modern life, if you have no knowledge, you can't do any work. You can't open your business. If you have knowledge, you can do any work. You can go anywhere. If you don't have knowledge, you can't do anything. If you have knowledge, you can go any country and you can speak English. If you don't have knowledge, you can't go anywhere. You can't speak. You can't speak. If you have knowledge, you can go anywhere. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, he is a father of Constitution.
Yes.
He is a father of communication. He worked hard. After that, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days after he made Constitution. If they don't do work, right now we are not here. And who people is poor, they don't have respect. Who people is rich, only they have respect. But on the because of Constitution, we have rules. If you any crime, you have to go to jail. If you have go to jail. Thank you for listening me.
Because we have come out of the class, and first of all I am going to start. There is a one. So Mr. Ayan, you come here, please. Good morning.
Good morning,
Ladies and gentlemen.
ladies and gentlemen.
My name is
Ayan.
Today we have come out of the class.
Out of the class.
Because we want to become fluent English speaker, public speaker, to speak in the class. It's very simple. Anybody can speak. But if you are speaking in front of people,
in front of people,
that is the main thing.
that is my thing.
So please clap for Mr. Ayan. Please. Yeah, good. Very nice.